starting off with priming our face. I'm using the same Perfect Pore Primer and putting that all over my face. Also, let me just draw attention to how ashy my hands are. I know I need some lotion. Next, I am doing eyebrows. I'm trying to get these hairy caterpillars together. I only have ever used ebony to fill in my eyebrows, but to be honest, with the new blonde, I do think the ebony black is a little too dark, and I do maybe need to look for something lighter. But for now, we're just doing my regular dark eyebrows, and I will fix it when I can. After that, I am cleaning it up with concealer. Then I'm taking my go-to foundation at the moment, which is my Milani Conceal Perfect Foundation, and I'm putting that all over my face. Then I'm using my Maybelline Infallible Concealer to brighten up my under eyes. After, I'm taking my Black Radiance Contour Palette to contour, and following that, I'm taking my NK powder and setting my whole face. I also put a little concealer on my eyes and a little powder on my eyes just to brighten it up for the palette. So I've had this Tony Moly palette for a little bit, and it's kind of been sitting around and I haven't used it, so I decided to dip into it today. It's called the Tony Moly Perfect Style Street Palette, and it's very pink, as you can see. I first start off by using the dark purple shade to really warm up my creases. Then I attempt to use the dark pink, but it really wasn't showing up. And a good tip for colors that don't show up too well is to dampen your brush and try again. But honestly, I completely forgot about that tip. So I actually just used a different pink from a different palette, my Eye Magic palette, and I just spread that everywhere, including my under eyes. I didn't really care where it went because I was trying to go for a look where the color of my eyes went into my cheeks. So you can just kind of go crazy. After, I added a light pink off of the Tony Moly palette on my lids, and then a champagne white on my inner corners. Next, I took this hot pink lipstick from NYX and I put that all over my cheeks, and I again really blended it in so it would match with my eyeshadow. The hot pink was a little brighter than my eyeshadow, but it still did the job, so we're good. After, I drew on a little bit of a cat eye and I put on some eyelashes. Then I added these heart stickers I literally bought from Walmart for like $1, and they're so cute. For lipstick, it was like 3 different products. I used 2 lipsticks from the Etude House Coffee to Go set, which I have been overusing, but I love it. And then I actually dabbed in the hot pink I used on my cheeks just to give it more of a glossy look. And then I'm done. I wanted to do this like love hearts all over my face look for a while, and I think it's like a really cute concept for photos, so I'm happy I finally got to do it. I hope you guys liked this quick little video, and remember to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. 똑같은 자리 같은 잠에 들겠지. 이제는 누군가를 더 하고 싶어. 모든 외로움 거두고 싶어.